ये चलो।
Good morning, friends. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Rutusha Bhujangrao Deshmukh. I am student of BATY. Today, I am going to talk about an American poet, Emily Elizabeth Dickinson. Emily Dickinson is one of the America's greatest and uh, and most original poets of all time. She took definition as her previous challenged and existing definitions of all poetry and poets' work. Emily Elizabeth Dickinson was born in Amherst, Massachusetts on December 10 in 1813 to Edward and Emily Dickinson. At the time of her birth, Emily's father was an ambitious young lawyer, educated and Amherst and Yale. He returned to his hometown and joined the ailing law practice of his father, Samuel Fowler Dickinson. Dickinson was born in Amherst, Massachusetts, into a prominent family with strong ties to its community. After studying at the Amherst Academy for 7 years in her youth, she briefly attended the Mount Holyoke Female Seminary before returning to her family's house in Amherst. Dickinson suggests that Dickinson lived much of her life in isolation, considered and in eccentric by locals. She developed a penchant of white cloths uh, and was known for her reluctance to great guests or later in life uh, to even leave her bedroom. Dickinson never married, and most friendships between her and others depended entirely upon correspondence. While Dickinson was a prolific poet, fewer than a dozen of her nearly 1800 poems were published during her lifetime. The poems published then were usually edited significantly to fit conventional poetic rules. Her poems were unique to her era. Uh, they they contain short lines. Poems were unique to her era. The contain short lines typically lack titles, and often we use slant rhyme. We will as unconventional capitalism and punctuation. Many of her poems deal with themes of death and immortality, to recurring topics in her letters to her friends. Emily Dickinson is one of the greatest poetess of America, though genius was recognized posthumously because of her sister Levina. She had the most unusual of style of depicting life and death, and she used unpredictable ways of form and syntax to write her lines. Despite the many peculiarities, her lines are thoughtful, philosophical, and filled with words that would land the reader in a new dimension. She wrote more than 1800 poems, and a major part of her poems is considered to be a work of genius. Emily Dickinson is one of the nation's most prolific poetess. Dickinson wrote nearly 1800 poems while leading a reclusive life at her family home in Amherst, Massachusetts. Few of Dickinson's poems about art, garden, joy, love, death, and grief were published during her lifetime, and most of her work was discovered in her bedroom after her death. She died in May 15, 1886. Thank you.